Hey guys, oh my gosh, I am rushing. I am late. Oh my gosh, so late. So basically what I did, I went to bed, took a quick nap because there was so much going on for my flight tonight. But I am super late. I only have a few minutes to get to the airport, park, and then go clocked in. So it can't be long. I'm just gonna pack my lunch bag and get out of here. And I guess I'll talk to you guys either on the plane or wherever I get my destination. I don't even know where the heck I'm flying. So I'll talk to you guys later. So we have bathroom, our closet. Then we have the bed area. Good morning, everyone. Oh my goodness, it is, what time is it? It says 8:12 a.m. 8:12. So I've been flying since I went to the airport at, my report time was 10:58 p.m. and one leg today to Columbus. Very calm flight, calm flight. It's after the holidays, so everything is packed now with most of the airlines since after the holidays. I am tired and I'm hungry, like very, very hungry. They had breakfast, but it's not like hot stuff. They had like yogurt and muffins, stuff like that, but I didn't want that crap. I mean, I'm grateful that they giving up, you know, stuff, but I didn't want that because it's sweet. It's not healthy. So thank goodness I had my own breakfast. Oh gosh, I'm so tired. Like, I can't even think. Okay, so remember I was telling you guys that I was running late. So I got to the airport, went through TSA, and I got random. So I got random. I have to go through TSA, and I was like, oh my gosh, I'll be late. Ran to the thing, punch in, and I was on time. I was like, I was just worried I was gonna be late because I was running late. I'm like, I can't afford to get any points for being late. They give you like 6 points or something like that for being late. I don't got time for that. No. So at takeoff, my ears started to like pop in, like I could hear the fluid in, and I was like, I thought that the doctor said that my ears would be a lot better, but no, it didn't hurt. Thank goodness it didn't hurt, but it was popping and stuff like that. So at descent, what I did, I took my Sudafed 2 hours before descent, so it will kick in, and it helps because then my ears was getting blocked, and then I yawned a couple of times, and I keep on yawning, but I could hear the fluid in my ears. I could feel it. I hear it in my ears. So I didn't have any ear pain, which I'm happy for that, because man, when I went through that ear pain on Christmas Eve, that was the worst ever. I thought I was gonna die. Like literally, I thought I was gonna die, and then your eardrum can burst from it. So I was very nervous about it. So we have 24-hour layover starting right now. 24 hours. They do have a mall that I don't even think I'm gonna go to the mall because I have so much to do and I'm tired. I should just relax because tomorrow I have to get up super early, and we have a long day tomorrow and a short layover, so I don't want to do too much. I should call downstairs and see if they have bagels. Yeah, I'm gonna call and see if they have bagels so I can get a bagel with my breakfast. Did I not press the button? Oh snap. Hi, good morning. Do you know if the breakfast has bagels there? Okay. Okay. Ouch. Alright, thank you. Man. I'm gonna go downstairs and see if they have bagels. So I'm gonna need some bagels with my porridge. I have some Jamaican caramel porridge, but I need bagels to keep me full, because without the bagel or bread, I'm gonna wake up sooner than I need to wake up. So I talk to you guys when I wake up, which is probably gonna be like in 5 hours or so. I'll talk to you guys then. Hey guys, good morning. Well, it's not even morning. It's like 4, let me see, 5 o'clock, literally 5 o'clock. I got up at 3 p.m. Like literally, it's almost night. It looks bright, but it's not that bright outside. It's a little dark. But yeah, I got up at 3 something. I didn't know how tired I was until when I looked at the time. It was like, oh my gosh, it's 3 o'clock. 3 p.m. The time went by so fast, which is crazy. And then I just been answering emails and calls in the meantime. But I'm like, still don't even have the energy to get up how tired I am. So I'm in Columbus, and I have to get up early in the morning for 6:30 van time. So I probably have to get up by 5 or 4:40 just to be on time, because me and early mornings are not that great, because where I'm at is 3 hours ahead of Vegas. So since I woke up at 3, probably won't go to bed until late tonight, and that's gonna really suck. But man, I was so exhausted. Oh, I have to eat. I eat breakfast this morning. Yes, I did. I have to eat lunch now, and then later eat dinner, even though it's 5 o'clock. Ooh, it's probably gonna be just dinner and snack. So dinner now and then snack later. Oh, I hope you guys are having an awesome day or night, depends on where you guys are. Shout out to my new subscribers. I'm gonna start doing shout outs, man. Shout out to my new subscribers and my old subscribers. Shout out to you guys. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. I've been on YouTube for like a long time, to be honest with you guys, and I just never, I've been so busy with my life that I was like, vlogging, oh my gosh, no, that's too much, you know, whatever. And now I'm like, you know what, I need to start going back. I think I've been on YouTube for like 5 years. Like, I think I need to go back and just start vlogging. There's probably a lot going on in my life, but at least you guys would have seen the journey and the success and whatever. But I was like, you know, young and dumb, that type stuff. But yeah, no, but I'm happy to still be able to vlog, and you guys still be able to watch, and you guys watching it. I'm grateful for that. I'm really grateful for that. And I hope you guys having an awesome new year. Hoping you guys new year started out awesome. If it didn't, don't worry. I heard a saying that says that it's not how you start, it's how you finish. So you still have time and opportunity to get it together. I brought so many snacks and stuff that is unbelievable. Like, it couldn't even fit in my lunch bag. I need to get a bigger lunch bag, because the Travel Pro lunch bag that I have is not that big. So in the flight attendant world, there are a couple brands that we use. Travel Pro, Samsonite, and there's another company that we use. That's like our famous brands in the airline industry that we all stick to. I mean, there are other brands, but those are the main ones. So my lunch bag is a Travel Pro, and my suitcase is a Travel Pro, and I change my suitcase like every 2 years, because I have to, because the wheels sometimes end up just falling off. So this year it seems like it's doing great. It lasts for next year, so I'm grateful for that. Because normally when I changed it was because I used to commute, from Miami to Vegas, and the commuting on your bag takes up a lot of weight and a lot of tension on your bag, traveling back and forth to different states like that, plus when you're flying and stuff. So this month I have, let me see my schedule. This month I even forgot to print out my schedule for this 4-day trip in the crew room. Like, I was so not ready for this trip. So I have 4-day trip. This is a 4-day trip for me, but technically it's a 3-day because we have 24-hour layover. But it's a 4-day, but it's, you know, it's a 3-day kind of. Only 24-hour layover in the hotel. While we're in the hotel, we do get pay while we're sleeping in the hotel, but every airline is different, so our pay is different. So you get paid your regular, which what I'm saying when I said irregular, it means from when the plane push back till when the plane park at the gate. And like when the plane stop at the gate and park at the gate, that's when our pay stop rolling. So from pushback to when it park at the gate, while they're deplaning and boarding, we are not getting paid for that. Now, every time you're away from your base, so say your base is Chicago and you're away from Chicago, you're getting paid while you're away from Chicago. So you're at the hotel in LA, you're getting paid while you're at the hotel in LA. Now the pay scale is not high at all. It's like just a couple dollars. But a couple dollars does add up at the end of the month when you for not doing anything. So that's why for me, I do most of my business stuff at the hotel on my long layovers. You know, it's like while I'm getting paid, I'm doing my own business stuff, you know. So when I get home, I still have a lot of stuff, but not so much to do when I get home. So that's the pay scale, regular, and then your time away from base. And some airlines have other little things too. Just other little things they can make a little extra money, but nothing too crazy. But you can make a little extra money with that. So my anniversary for my fifth year is close to the end of this month. So that'll be 5 years in the company. 5 years. Good morning, everyone. All right, so it is now, I don't even know, like 6:15 a.m. and my van time is 6:30. So I'm just doing my last minute pack-ins, and then be on my way downstairs. They do have to-go breakfast this morning, so I'll probably maybe just get a Danish and an orange if I have space to put it. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get a bagel, because yesterday when I got a bagel, the bagel was kind of a bit hard. It wasn't, excuse me, it wasn't soft at all. So I won't get a bagel. I'm just gonna probably a Danish and an orange, or just an orange. If they have that. So I got up super early. Like I got up at 3 and then I went to bed around 9, and then I got up around 2 o'clock, and then I couldn't go to bed because I put my phone to alarm at 4:50, and I just couldn't go. So the first leg probably gonna be 2 hours and probably 10 minutes. I'm not sure. I'm just guessing that's what's gonna be. Not sure how it is. We're going to Orlando, I believe. We're going Orlando. I don't think it's gonna be a lot of passengers going to Orlando, especially this early in the morning. Now leaving Orlando, for sure, I'm pretty sure the flight gonna be full leaving Orlando, because it's just one of those things. Yeah, we have 3 legs today, and the legs are kind of a little bit short, like 2 hours and some 2 hours 30 minutes, like that type of distance. So it's not not gonna be too bad today. The first leg, I believe we switch planes on the first leg, and the other 2 we don't switch plane, we stay on the same plane. It's cold outside. It's like 30 something degrees outside. I got this jacket, guys. Oh my gosh, I got this jacket. I got it at $20 at Costco. $20, guys, at Costco in, where was I? Baltimore. And when I tell you, oh, it was actually in the men's section. The women's section, their jacket just fancy but ain't warm. And when I tell you this baby is so warm, my God, $20, it was literally worth the price. Like this. All right, guys, so we're on the plane right now, and we are super early. Just finished my pre-flight checks, and then the cleaners just finished cleaning. Just gonna maybe take like a 20-minute nap, so we have like 40 minutes wait period. I make a 20 minutes or 30 minutes nap in the meantime. And I do need to open up these ear vents because it's a little too warm in here. I mean, it's super cold outside, but it's just a little too warm here. The pilots are not here yet to adjust the heat, so, but at least it has the heat on, so that was good. I'm tired, very tired, super tired. But yeah, I am not like officially up yet. Thank goodness these legs are so short, because by the time I actually wake up, it's probably when I land going. It was when my last leg going to the hotel is when I'm actually up. But yeah, I'm gonna get my 20 minutes nap in the meantime. Bye.